I think I have a very good life partner. Yeah. Because Anmol had actually said this to me once. He had said this to me that, हम जो देखते हैं कि stardom, he always says this कि मुझे अपने life में ना बहुत पैसे नहीं कमाने हैं या बहुत फेम नहीं चाहिए. I get scared of that. Too much of fame and too much of money. Because God will always take away something big from you in order for you to have that. And that really hit me, He always says that, and he says कि मैं जैसा हूँ, मेरे पास जितना है, मैं खुश हूँ, मैं ठीक हूँ. बस इससे ज़्यादा नहीं चाहिए, इससे कम कुछ होना नहीं चाहिए, बस इतना ही ठीक है. So which is like, I learn from him every day. Because he's spoken to so many legends, he's interacted with so many legends, there's so much of wisdom that comes from that world. Like shared by them कि मैंने ये गलती की, मैंने ये नहीं करना चाहिए था, लाइफ में ये ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है, करियर सब कुछ नहीं है, so all that things he shares with me. And I met him when I was at a very critical point of my life.
क्यों?
Because I was, despite of all these super hit films and this real adulation that I had in the hearts of the audience, I was somewhere feeling a little stuck. मतलब वो फिल्में जो मुझे करनी थी वो मुझे मिल नहीं रही थी. I was like, मुझे ऐसी फिल्में करनी है, ये ऑफर बहुत बड़ा है मगर इसमें किसिंग सीन है, ऑन स्क्रीन ये है. एंड आई वाज लाइक, यार मुझे ऐसे ऑफर क्यों आते हैं जहाँ पे कुछ ना कुछ एक ग्लिच है. आई डोंट वांट टू डू दिस. व्हाई इज इट नॉट लाइक अ क्लीन कि this is
family
like, so I was in that space ki I was very stuck. I was and then of course like people saying all kinds of things to demotivate you. So I was in that phase where I wanted to run away. Actually, I wanted to just not go to parties, not go to award shows, not be seen, just do my work and come back home. So I was, I think, in a little lonely space, and I really needed that support, like emotionally, like someone I could talk to, someone I could be myself with, someone I could share what I'm going through. So he just came at the right time with all the right wisdom. And before I think I met Anmol, I had not found my personality as yet. I was very quiet. I really found my true self in that relationship. See, I'll tell you what, when जब अनमोल मुझे प्रपोज कर रहे थे तो मैंने उनको एक ही चीज़ कहा था कि अब ये मेरे लिए यहाँ से और सीरियस ही होगा. It was not like, okay, let's give it a try, let's see where it goes. No, because for me, whether it's work or whether it's relationship, अब ये मेरे लिए यहाँ से सीरियस ही होगा. अब मैं इसको मेरा 100% ही दूंगी. एक चीज़ जो मैंने ऑब्जर्व की है कि हम दुनिया में इतने सारे लोगों को मिलते हैं, है ना. आप मिलते हो, आप हर एक से मिलते हो, बात करते हो, मज़ा आता है. उसके बाद यू लाइक, ओके बाय, अभी आप घर जाओ, मैं अपने घर जाऊंगी. बहुत ही कम लोगों के साथ वो एक एनर्जी फ्लो होता है where you can just go on talking to them, just go on talking to them. आप घंटों फ़ोन पे बात कर रहे हो या फिर आप मिलते हो, you spend time with them and you come back home and you again find yourself on the phone with them. ये हर एक के साथ नहीं होता. ये एक बहुत स्पेशल चीज़ है और मुझे लगता है कि you have to wait for that person जिसके साथ आपको लगता है कि एक बहुत effortless, not like that person enters the room and you have cold feet and you're trying to be your best. नहीं, you're like, you are yourself. अगर आपको वैसा इंसान मिले और अगर वो इंसान सही हो, in the sense his principles are correct, in the correct place, like he respects women, and you can find that out, then I don't think you should leave that relationship or let that go. You should do all, you should give it your best to see that it's final, और बहुत ऐसे लोग होते हैं, like I have seen this, like I don't have to get into it to experience it, but I have seen this. There are some men who are toxic by nature. They are disrespectful to women in the way they talk, or they may be talking about women and their body parts all the time, so they're very like sexual in their conversations with a girl. those are the red flag guys. Those are the guys you have to be away from. You know, the guys who are genuine, simple, who love you, respect you, more importantly, will not be very touchy with you. You know, they might just put a arm over your shoulder, but that'll be out of respect. And every girl can sense that. So when I say कि वो लोग जब आपको मिलते हैं that you can have endless conversations with them और उनकी कंपनी आपको इंटरेस्टिंग लगती है, वो टॉक्सिक अगर ना हो, you know, तो you have to pursue that relationship.